Gotcha bell!
Gotcha bell, one more!
Gotcha bell, pautang daw. Gotcha bell, pautang.
Si ano ang host?
Gotcha bell!
Make sure to message all of your family and friends if they want to come here to witness the grandest homecoming of our Miss Grand 2025, Emma Mary Tiglao. Are you all excited? Harap ko lang yung energy, mga nasa taas. Yes, please join us because we are about to begin the program in just a few minutes. So hang tight and make sure to invite all of your friends. Nandito lang within Makati, invite them.
Thank you. Hindi naman po ba? Sorry. Let's go.
Wala ka ng first. Wala na. Last na to. Papunta ka? 11:50.
Na. Laban.
Babawi.
Babawi tayo.
Babawi parang.
Naubos yung buhayan.
Tapos TY pa.
Bakit nawawala? Nawawala sa akin.
Ayan, pala pansin ka kasi. Pinansin mo kasi sa akin.
Ano ba yan, Glo?
Oh, go mo. Go mo!
Wala sa akin eh.
May na smart ko eh. May na. Wala rin naman ano ko, Gcash ko.
Mag-stable din. Gusto niya.
Ayun na.
Ay!
Maganda pa rin J-Bar. J-Bar pa rin.
Test.
Award!
Mic test. Logging up. Test. Mic.
Hi guys, good day. We're here now at Juan Ayala for the Miss Grand International 2025 Emma Mary Tiglao's homecoming meet and greet press conference live at Juan Ayala Activity Center. Please don't forget to share this live streaming and follow Pageant Trend for more updates about pageants. And subscribe us on RNYT.
Pampanga. Gusto pang magpapanga bukas.
Inaano na yung Becky, yung dami na nasa
Ano pala si Em?
Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin our festivities tonight, may we ask all of our audiences, our friends, our supporters to please step back a little bit, just to give space here at the center. Later on, you'll get a chance to meet all of our queens. Okay, so sure po yan, mamimit niyo po lahat. You'll be able to take photos with them, but for now, please step back a little bit, just to give time here. Of course, Mr. Jojo Braga is present in the house. To all of our media friends, later on, you'll get the chance to have a photo, of course, for Miss Grand International 2025. But before we begin, we'd like to ask everybody to please settle down a bit. Again, invite your friends, to everyone there at the level 2. Hindi sila masyado maingay. Okay, so are we good to start these festivities?
Already homecoming, isn't it a bit early? Fatima, it's not Fatima, Miss Grand. Swaima. Swaima, Emma. Try. Ha? White na echo ba? Yung may babae? Ito ba? Akin na lang.
Everyone, just let's step back a bit so we can start the program. Let's go. Can we step back a bit? Fatima guys, one step back.
Trending si Fong. Di ba wika na?
Hindi pa, mare. Kulang pa. Award! Ayan na, Emma!
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll begin the festivities tonight. It is my huge honor to be hosting one of the most memorable events that we will be having here in the Philippines. Once again, I'm Jasmine Omay. I'll be your host for tonight. And as you all know, Christmas came early for all of us Filipinos who are present here today. All of the pageant fans, when Emily Tiglao made pageant history once more with her unprecedented back-to-back victory at the Miss Grand International 2025 Finals! That thrilled energy, despite the many challenges and crises we face as a nation, for that one triumph alone, we found ourselves united with purpose and a common vision. For more than a month, all of our collective feelings of patriotic triumph and excitement have built up to a feverish pitch. And tonight we stand united once more, this time in gratitude for this rare and extraordinary gift we will forever cherish. So before we continue, we'd like to acknowledge some of the people who made tonight's event possible. We'd like to thank Juan Ayala for our venue sponsor this evening for the wonderful accommodation, truly befitting our grandest queen. And we'd also like to acknowledge our other sponsors, including Marinova, One Hand, Discovery Primea, Grace Yourself, and One Ayala. So before we call in our Woman of the Hour, let's take a quick look at the highlights of our eventful pageant journey. Let's all watch this.
Emma! Yes, Ayala MRT po Avenue. No, Ayala. One Ayala.
Okay, so apparently, hindi na natin patatalin. There's no bagyo! But it's okay, because at this very moment, we'll get to know one of the women who is very inspiring to all of us Filipinas out here. And is sitting at my back right now. So let's give this stage and wave to your fans the loudest. Once again, your Miss Grand International 2025, Emma Mary Tiglao!
Grabe, yun yung una kong masasabi. Grabe po ang inyong pinakita. Mainit po ang inyong pagtanggap na binigay sa akin. I miss you so much because after I won, I've stayed in Thailand for like a month to do some work. And now here we are! We're bringing to back-to-back rounds! Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Sabi ko nga po, every time that I post during my grand journey, that was not my fight alone. That is our fight. That is why this is our victory. Maraming salamat po. That is because of our bayanihan. Bawat boto niyo po, yung simpleng pag-like niyo lang po, or panonood, sobrang laking tulong po nun sa akin. Ibang klase po yun dito. Kaya naman nakamit natin po yung tagumpay na gusto natin. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Emma, and welcome back. Ayan, na-miss ka talaga namin here, but I'm very much excited for you, so you may sit down because later on, all of our media friends will get to do a question and answer with, of course, our grandest queen. But for now, let's call in the Miss Grand Philippines National Director and ALB Pageant Circle President, Mr. Arnold Vega-Fria.
Akyat, sir, ano?
Akyat sa ALB.
Sorry, LB, akyat.
ALB, akyat.
Sorry, LB, akyat.
Good afternoon to everyone.
Akyat, sir, LB.
Hindi nakikita.
On behalf of the Miss Grand Philippines organization, I am honored to welcome back to the Philippines our very dear friend, Miss Grand International founder and president, Mr. Noah Isanagrisin. I'm also very proud to welcome to the Philippines Miss Grand International 2025 first runner-up from Thailand. The very beautiful Gotchabel Gotchapan. Most of the pageant media friends and fans also know her as Emma's roommate and best friend. And their admirable friendship grew stronger throughout the month-long competition. I hope you enjoyed your stay in the country. Some sample of our best foods. You tried it last night, right? And I hope Emma will show you around to some of our best tourist destinations. Before anything else, I would like to thank everyone who participated in the parade held at Ayala Triangle earlier this afternoon. Nawat, Gotchabel, and of course Emma and our other winning queens were overwhelmed with their love and support shown by the people who welcomed us with their loud cheers. It's been barely 2 months since we had our send-off for Emma. And I remember how we were all so hopeful and confident about our chances of winning the crown. And here we are now. Of course, we all wanted to celebrate Emma's victory immediately after her crowning. But we commend her fulfilling her responsibilities with the Miss Grand International organization. And we all witness now that she will still stand out while doing her Miss Universe hosting course. Right? And now she's back home. She deserves all the time to rest, unwind, and catch up with her family, friends, and loved ones, aside from welcoming a stream of endorsement offers. Look back, I remember the last time visited us last year to join our celebration for CJ Opiasa's historic victory. Let's welcome CJ Opiasa, who's here. And how we all asked him about our chances for back-to-back victory. That time, Nawat said, of course, if you send me the right candidate, it's possible. You remember that? The last time we had? Yes! With this historic back-to-back victory, we can truly say that Emma's victory was destined by fate. And now, this is my big chance to express my admiration for our new queen. Emma, without a doubt, you were a clear winner from the very start. You were a standout from day one, and it was clearly because you came prepared for battle. You put your own stamp and individuality in every little move you made. Every gesture, every pose made its mark to everyone watching you. You knew how to flirt with tease your audience, and you definitely got everyone's attention. Tama ba? Yes! And I'm very sure that your swimsuit walk, complete with your signature turns and hand gestures, will eventually be copied and serve as a template for a new generation of aspiring queens. And of course, more than your beauty and charm, it was your heartfelt message which shed lights on our country's relevant issues that earn you even more admiration for your courage and conviction. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank everyone who played a significant role in Emma's victory. First of all, I would like to thank all her designers whose creativity and originality showcase Filipino fashion in winning at its best. Let's give them a round of applause. I don't want to mention names, there is a lot of Filipino designers contributed to Emma's winning. Big thanks also for the glam team who ensured that she looked picture perfect all throughout her pageant journey. I would like to thank also our sponsors for marketing strategies aligned with Mission Vision, who helped hype up for popularity in social media. I would like to thank our sponsors for today's activity, Marinova, One Hand, Discovery Primea, Brace Yourself, and of course, Juan Ayala. To our supportive Filipino fans, whose combined vote totaling over 10 million assured Emma's victory in the country's Power of the Year category, thank you for your humble contribution. Of course, we should not overlook the historic achievement of Emma's predecessor, no other than 2024 Miss Grand International CJ Obiasa, who despite her short reign still managed to accomplish more than any Miss Grand Queen could achieve during her entire term. Let's give a warm applause for CJ Obiasa. And lastly, of course, my sincerest thanks to our dear pageant media friends who flew all the way to Thailand to ensure the comprehensive coverage of all the pageant activities from day one up to the coronation night. I know for a fact that you were the one who rallied behind Emma and who used all your pageant's platforms to appeal to our Filipino pageant fans to vote for her in the country's Power of the Year category. You are the epitome of the Bayanihan spirit in action, and for all, we are eternally grateful. And now, I am greatly honored to introduce to you one of the globally renowned and respected pageant luminaries whose grand vision is slowly transforming Asia as the pageant hub of the world. Please welcome Miss Grand International founder and president, Mr. Nawat Isanagdarisin.
Good evening, everyone. How are you? First of all, I would like to congratulate you for your successful victory of the winner of Miss Grand International back to back, and maybe back to back to back to back. Because no one can make it in history of the beauty pageant contest. We will see for the next year as well. By the way, thank you so much for Mr. Arnold to make such a wonderful beauty queen to Miss Grand International for 2025. She far away from home almost 2 months. This is the first time she back home in Philippines. And she will stay here maybe only 1 week. After that, she will continue to travel somewhere else. So please welcome her, very warm welcome, and always support her wherever she steps, wherever she traveling to. I do hope she will enjoy her life, the queen, the real queen, the power of MGI during this year. I would like to thank you so much for all the Filipinos fans. That's always support not only herself, also CJ, also all the team of Mr. Arnold, and also always support MGI. And a lot of media from Philippines, like Kunagam and so many beauty pageant page always support us every the beauty pageant that I made it. So I do hope you will enjoy for your success, and thank you so much for your support MGI at any time. I feel very happy, I feel very sincere to be here, and I always very happy, most happiness in my life when I can be at any time. Thank you so much.
Mr. Nawat, and yan, sa kanya na lang galing back to back to back. Might be possible 3 crowns. Why not?
Depend on your quality.
Depends on your quality.
We never lock anything. We never do anything. Only the quality, body, beauty, brand, and business. If she will confirm most of the quality, she will win. Absolutely.
And coming from Mr. Nawat, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. It is indeed possible for Philippines. Thank you so much for that one. Right now, speaking of friendship, we all know, we followed Miss Emma's journey all throughout. Nakikita natin siya sa TikTok. And one of the most famous things that she's been doing is making a lot of TikTok videos together with her roommate and her friend. her here, and at the same time, I think this is the perfect time to hear her message to our Miss Grand International 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome from Thailand, Miss Grand International 2025 first runner-up, the alluring Miss Gotchabel Gotchaban.
Gotchabel, pautang naman. Ubus na yung budget ko sa ano eh. Charas.
Hindi naman sinawat ko.
Kota-kota, ano eh. Ay.
Okay, well, they said you need to sing. No. First of all, mabuhay! Pautang!
Pautang.
Everybody, pautang!
Pautang!
Sakto-level. But now, I feel hungry. I want to eat balot.
Balot. Balot again.
Balot again. Adobo.
Adobo. Saan ako eh?
Hindi pa niya natatry, kaya mas
Ay, kuya. Kuya. Ano? Hindi. Ito, nagagalaw mo lang yung ano ko, stick.
I'm so excited. And I am really happy to meet everyone.
Aww.
Thank you for coming, welcoming me. I am very glad everyone. Hi, I'm lovely.
Aww.
I love you, Emma.
Aww.
I would like to stay here more and more and more and more. But tomorrow, I must to come back in Thailand. Go back. I scared. Ambagan. Short puno. Cameras. Sorry. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you from my heart. And lastly, I love you forever, everyone.
Thank you so much, Miss Grand International 2025 first runner-up, Miss Gotchabel. I'm sure you'll come back. Okay, Ambagan? ALB! Shot mo ka. You need to shot first. So, the Ambagan. More of that later on, okay? So, ayan, abangan po later. But now that we've called in another queen, it's righteous for us to call in one of the Filipinas who made such huge impact here in the pageant industry. And now, for her message, let's welcome Miss Grand International 2024, CJ Opiasa!
Next month pa yun. Award! Ayun tayo eh.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat! Isa ko naman ako sa sigawan, yung grand sigawan naman po. Ayan, thank you so much everyone for coming to Ate Emma's parade. First of all, Ate, congratulations. You really deserve the crown.
Kasi we've seen you for how many years. We've seen how you put your heart, your dedication, your perseverance to your goal to win the crown and to represent the country. You did represent the country second time. But I think everything just happens for a reason. And now you went back home to the Philippines with your deserved crown. And we are celebrating with you. We are acknowledging everything that you put from your first competition, from all the competitions we've shared. We were in the same competition back like years, wag na natin pag-usapan yung taon, years ago. And I really know how dedicated she is as a person. I know how she loves pageantry. I know how she loves her team. I know how she actually puts her heart into what she's doing. And I really want to acknowledge that effort that you really put into making your dreams possible. And I myself is also inspired by you. I also aspire to be like you. And I know everybody's aspiring to be like our Miss Grand International 2025. And I hope you will continue to support her in her journey. I know it's gonna be tough sometimes. I know the crown is heavy, as we say. It has a lot of responsibilities. But I know because you are a superwoman, I would say, you'll be able to just simply blow away everybody with your grand energy. And I hope all the Filipinos will be behind you in your journey and in your win. This is the second crown for the Philippines. But also, I want everybody to celebrate and also give the spotlight to our queen. It is her time to shine.
You know what? Victory is so sweet when it is shared together. That is why I love to share this victory with you also. We made history.
Yes!
I think it is a continuation of the Filipinos' dreams. So I hope
Your babies are crying, baby.
maybe I think we all wanted to take home the crown, and as I always say, I wanted to give credit to all the queens who paved the way for us to be in this spotlight. So congratulations to all the Filipinas who gave their all also in the Miss Grand International stage. And thank you for celebrating with me, but this year, it is her year. So I hope you will celebrate with her until the end of her reign. Thank you so much, po.
Our Miss Grand are two golden crowns! Take a picture of this moment because we'll never know. This would be such an iconic history for all of us Filipinos. And now I'd like to hear one of our most beautiful, alluring, sexy, and supportive queen. We want to give a message, of course, to our Miss Grand International, of course, Maria Gigante, Universal Woman 2024.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, I was not prepared, but I'll try to keep it short and sweet. First of all, congratulations, Emma!
Maria in front here.
Guys, for those of you who don't know, when I started training for pageants, Emma was one of the first people to come and assist Mommy G on our walks. So, as a witness to your journey, however far, I've seen how genuine you are as a person, and it's crazy that you're able to let that shine through, even now in victory. As we say, a true queen is how she acts, even without the crown. And that's what you've proven to us with your career spanning over a decade. Girl, idol talaga kita. Like, beauty, brains, career, she has it all. And it's so nice to be able to share it with you and the whole Philippines. Congratulations, Emma, CJ, Coach Abel, and of course, Sir ALV. And of course, Papa Nawal. My goodness. Thank you both. Oh, anyway, I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. I have so much more to say. I'm so happy for you, and I'm so honored that I got to call your name out as Miss Grand Philippines when you won. Thank you for letting me be part of the journey. Wow, Emma. And it's only getting better and better.
Salamat ka, Annie.
Thank you so much, Maria. Truly, it is such an amazing, faith, destiny to see you shine into this. And hindi enough, I'll be saying my message now. I am so proud of you, Miss Emma. Ayan. Tawag ko kasi sa kanya is Miss Emma.
We share the same stage together.
Yes, and in Kapampangan, Emma Putut. But you know what? That has been such an amazing whirlwind of events, from starting there and seeing you wearing the international crown on your head. Truly deserving of the time. Okay, so ayaw ko na po patagalan. It's time to give the floor to our Miss Grand International 2025 and to all of our media friends. So we'll begin the question and answer portion. You can also ask Mr. Arnold Degafria and Mr. Nawad here. So to all of our media friends, okay, please state your name before asking your question. Okay, so the floor is open to all of our media friends. Sino po ang una mag-ask ng question? Ay, ito na po. Okay.
My first question would go to NGI and our winning memorable. So what's the best thing about winning 2025 NGI, and as well as winning the heart of the time, almost especially your best friend now, Miss Jacqueline?
The best thing about winning is when it is shared. It is because of the Filipino support, the Filipinos who believed in me, and the Filipinos bayanihan. I think pinakamasarap is when we got the historic back-to-back victory. I myself, I didn't expect it. That's why ang dami ng meme na lumabas dun sa aking reaction. No? Yung siguro yung pinakamasarap when you made history and you touch lives and hearts of the people, not only of your people, but the international fans, especially the Thai fans. Kapunaka! And also, I'm grateful, kaya naging magaan yung journey ko with Miss Grand International. It's also because of my roommate, Agachobel. We just had this healthy competition. We just enjoyed every moment, and I'm happy to share not just the room, but also the stage with my roomie that we are the last two standing during the grand coronation of MGI.
So much
Thank you.
Singing on.
Message again. Joke lang. Hi guys, I'm Maria Chigante, and I will be proxying for today's open forum, our favorite part, where all of you get to ask questions to our beloved queen. Please state your name, affiliation. Oh, which one first? Okay. Can I come back to you? All right, hold that thought. All right, name and age, and just kidding, affiliation.
Hello, hi Mr. Nawad. I'm Kiko from
Radar
Philippines. Hi! Welcome to the Philippines again. My question is, how do you feel that you produce more popular women than the universe?
Okay, I'm very proud to be like a beauty pageant contest by the fair pageant. Most important is not the winner. Most important not only the crowd. Most important, we are very sincere to welcome delegates all around the world to MGI. Even Miss Universe as well. I try to help them as much as I can. But I promise for all Filipinos and I promise for the pageantry fans around the world, I will stand for the fair pageant and every time I work it. And I would like to give a good opportunity who are ready to work. But by the way, who unplaced are not going to get the crown. That means a lot of value for us, but the crown only one. So my mission is I would like to produce the beauty pageant contest like MGI or any platform. If they want some help from us, I try to improve and keep our standard to help all the people that they have in country. So this is my mission. That's why you are here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Papa Nawat. And without a doubt, you have been the best partner in the
MGI!
What?
MGI! MGI! MGI!
Is that the best you can do?
MGI! MGI!
Ano? Gutom na ba kayo? Okay, next question. Okay, and your judge is?
I'm Carrie Donato from the Philippine Star. Congratulations to everyone. And my question is for Mr. Nawat. Mr. Nawat. I'm just interested to know what's going to be the future of your franchise. Because MGI has established itself as an emerged, not more emerging, but an emerged beauty international pageant.
Okay. For our franchise, the franchise fee is the most important. I tell you very sincere, but it's very important, but not most important. But not most important. Why? I want the quality of the company, each country, to make a contest, national contest. Most important, national contest must be very most important. That's because he make it. Because I would like to share our vision of MGI to every country. But I would like to see the national contest is very fair contest. Because the fair from the beginning I can carry to the end is fair. This is the most important. And other important, our franchise must be success by the business too. Not only just for fun, only for the beauty contest, national contest. Thank you so much for the big sponsor to Mr. Arnold too. Thank you so much. Yes. If the sponsor cannot be a successful every pageant, national pageant. So my mission is I want to let Mr. Arnold and other countries that you watching right now to make a little more bigger, more important, and very fair pageant in your country. This is the most I like. Money, of course, everyone wants it. Everyone to do a profit. But that is later if you make high standard. The profit and money come through exactly. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you, Papa. Oh, we have a question from Ms. Diane Castellina.
I would like to ask Miss Thailand.
Chabelle!
You know, Miss Thailand and Emma, you're now starting to look alike.
Combo. Partner.
But you know, I think that, don't you think that Miss Thailand should be in the Philippines more?
Yes!
Because you're very sweet. Very sweet. Yeah. So my question is, you were roommates in Thailand for Miss Grand, right? So what was your secret? What did you tell? What was your strategy for both of you? Because you were the last two standing. What did you do to be able to become first runner-up and she the champion? Can you share maybe for the future MGI contestants? They would like to also be first runner-up and winner.
Thank you for the question. You shall tell me, please.
Do you understand?
I don't need to speak English more and more and more, but I will try. I think she
has very option.
Very what?
What's option? Full option. Talented.
Oh, talented.
She can dance. She can sing. Show me super talent. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do the talent. Sorry. No, you pinton. No, not you. I mean, yes, not good. Then do. Okay.
5, 6, 7, go.
Do. What's a lay do? Hey. What's a lay do? Hey. What's a lay do?
Okay, done. Now come to hear your answer.
Emma Bell!
Now you need to dance.
Me?
Yes, together.
Oh my goodness.
With DJ. Together with CJ. Nakatid niyo ba yung harness?
Then dance, right?
So, wala kaming mic, kayo ang magkakanta ha. Do, what's up, do, okay?
Already.
Amazing. Thank you. You should come here more. Emma, grabe ah. I think that every time your roommate, I think you will win all the time.
Kasi yun, I think it's one of the healthy competition that we had during that time. And I think the secret and the strategy that we had is we just enjoyed it, right? We just enjoyed every moment, every event. Yeah. We're just happy.
Before I finish,
Di ba tapos?
Thank you. ดิฉันคะขอพูดภาษาไทยแล้วฟังดิฉันพูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหมคะ เพราะว่าหนูอยากบอกทุกคนจากใจจริงๆว่าหนูไม่เสียใจเลย เพราะตำแหน่งที่หนูได้รับก็มีค่ามากๆแล้วแล้วก็มีความสุขมากๆกับแฮปปี้กับตำแหน่งตรงนี้ค่ะจังหวะที่จับมือมีแค่คิดนิดเดียวว่าเรายืนผิดฝั่งหรือเปล่า เพราะว่าประเทศไทยเราถือเคล็ดว่าถ้ายืนฝั่งนี้จะเป็นฝ่ายชนะ แต่ณวันนั้นเราก็รู้สึกว่าไม่มีอะไรที่ต้องคลาดสายตาเลยเพราะว่าเอมมาเหมาะสมทุกประการค่ะ Are you understand? Thank you.
Yeah, I think they understand.
Huh?
Try to speak English. Make your own
You
way.
can.
That's why.
You can do that.
That's fine. Okay,
When I speak English, I feel final day, you know?
final. Okay.
Final day.
And then.
You can do that. You can do that. Okay.
When you hold a hand, how you feeling?
That day,
Uh-huh.
final day, when I stand, think and touch her hand,
Hold hand.
I think
It's wrong side.
it's wrong side. Because Thai people think if stand here, the winner. If stand here, she winner sure. That day, oh my God. Wow. Emma, concept. She very, very happy. She very happy because เราคิดไม่ถึงอะ Not expect what that
what are you feeling? Happy, right?
Happy,
You're
yes,
happy.
happy.
Seems to be. Yeah.
Happy. I love my crown. I love this position. The first runner-up Miss Grand International 2025. Congratulations! Back to back!
Oh my gosh, Mr. Nawat, my next question is for you. No, I have, what do you make these girls drink that they have this kind of energy and humor? What is your secret potion? No, it's only afternoon, no drinking, right? Grabe, ang saya-saya. We love you. We love you.
Total moment with Ben. Oh yes, tama ka.
Thank you, Miss Leia.
Saya.
But listen to what my serious question for you is, I remember for so many years, and all the fans will know this, the Philippines never wins a Miss Grand.
Oh.
Remember? But now we have a back-to-back.
Yeah!
So, how did it change? What happened? How did we change?
We don't change anything. Mr. Ano change a lot. No, not from me. Believe me. Because of the quality of the beauty queen of Philippines. And they are proved themselves back to back. And as I told you many years since you had my license, could you please find the good girl, the strong girl, and ready to work? It's almost many times. Filipinos, but first runner I think 2 times, and some top 5 so many times. But it's almost at any time. I would like to have one. It's making clear to be a victory of the winner without any reason. So that's why I'm waiting for. And 2 of the best version for Philippines. And I know what you are. I think you are going up back to back. Is this possible? I know. When you have 1, you want 2. When you have 2, you want 3. When you have 3, you want 4. Never enough. Never enough.
What is the special quality of the Filipina Miss Grand International winner? What can you say about CJ? And you know, you've been with Emma for more than 1 month. Please tell us.
Okay, first of all, I think it's when she's traveling around the world, she must be a beauty immediately when the people watching on her. She's so beauty to our Filipino on the stage. You see how beautiful, so beautiful. And the body, you see, stand up to show the body, 2 of you. Yeah, they are so lucky how to make it. Yeah, very good body. And the brain, of course, she knows everything. But she don't know about me much, okay? Sit down, have a seat, please. Okay, the most important is she must working by herself. This is the most important. I don't want to let anyone taking care of all the time. Okay, I'm giving them like makeup artist, hairstylist, and one assistant traveling around the world. But I don't like the girl that needs so many things during the rain. It makes us a problem and make the franchise country is a problem too. And it's not like a role model of the young girl stand for themselves. This is the most important. And I can say very sincere, all of them they are real. They are the real women. They are the real women on earth. They are the real but good quality. We don't want to put the beauty queen to the angel stand in the heaven. We cannot touch them. They cannot do anything. Just smile, just walk, just acting. But I want the real like this. She's the real. She oh, she can eat, she can dance, she can sing, she can make a joke. Sometimes too much, man. Of course, we can get together. She will have a big movie. Yeah. The movie launching 4th of December. You have to follow her. One of the popular movie in Thailand, and she will go to many countries else. And also, she will help Emma to be a movie star too. I would like to ask everybody now, she launching the first series already. She look very like, oh, high society woman, right, posh, something like that. This is the thing that we want to collaborate and work with together. This is the value of the beauty queen. Not just like, not only the crowd and then smile and then so many problems around and then so many people taking care too much. We don't want to lose. We want to get more profit from the real girl. That's why the quality of Philippines.
Yeah. So you have no problem with CJ and no problem with Emma and no problem with Wachamel.
I'm very happy to work with all the Filipino. I'm very sincere. I feel very comfortable, you know. You know my story, right? Yeah. You know, last month, the whole month, I have really a lot of pressure on me. Yeah. So I don't want to talk much, even though the new storm coming to me, okay? Now the storm is gone, huh? Okay? Now it's my area is much more happy. Happy, huh? So, when I visit the first country after my storm coming to my life, so that's why I feel so much happy. I come back to my position. This is the MGI. Now, the quality of the girl most important and entertainment too. Thank you so much again.
Thank you so much, Papa Nawal. And ladies and gentlemen, 3 more questions. Who is our next taker? All right, madam, we've waited quite a long time.
For Emma, we describe Miss Grand Philippines 2025 as a perfection. Your journey there was perfection. Now, how will you describe a better word your Miss Grand International journey?
I think it's not just about perfection, it's about a queen who is willing to grow, willing to learn, and willing to love everyone. Because right now, what's happening around us is so cruel, you know? It's not all about good. And what we need to be is to be an inspiration, is to be a source of goodness and kindness. Kasi wag na nating dagdagan pa. So I think what we need right now as a beauty queen or as Miss Grand is to be a woman who is willing to do everything. Willing to grow, willing to learn, and willing to love everyone. And that's why she inspires all of us. Jill, I have a question. Alright, don't worry, we'll be giving everyone a chance to ask questions. Alright, you first and then you.
Cesar po from the 25. My question is for Emma. During your journey in Miss Grand International, we know that there's something happening in the country. Paano naka-apekto sa iyo yung mga nangyayari dito sa country sa yaman mo sa international? Kasi that's bad news. Paano tinatangka?
Alam mo, sabi nga kanina, diba, there's always a reason why God put us in this situation. And I am happy and I'm grateful that I have people around me to keep me updated of what's happening. And one of that is, well, we know what's happening to our government. That's why I included that to my speech. Siguro naman, with that platform, I used it correctly. Other thing is, during the time when we experienced typhoon and earthquake, especially with the people on the Visayas part, and if you watch my closed-door interview, I also ask the prayers of the people para sa safety ng ating kababayan. So, it is just how you will use it correctly, where God put you. Diba? Pag nilagay ka dyan ni God, it is up to you on how you will do and how you will use it in a right way. So I hope wherever we are in our life, maybe we are a beauty queen or we are somebody, there's a reason why we are there. So I hope that you will inspire and use that position that you are correctly.
Thank you, Queen Emma. I actually saw you post that. You had a beautiful gown and you were saying, one of your posts was like, on the day of the flood, you posted and you said, although I'm grateful, my heart goes out to the Samoans. That meant a lot because in this trying time, after the earthquake, after the flood, sometimes that's all we need.
Yes,
right?
Especially Maria, I just want to, gusto ko na take the opportunity with this one because we all know MGI is also about business. That's the other B. And we use the live that we did for a cause and donated for our kababayans in Visayas area. So yun yung sinasabi ko, we just need to use the platform that we are given in the right way. Diba?
So smart, so smart. Thank you, Queen Emma. Let's welcome our next question.
Hi Emma, welcome back. I'm Jo Lopez of Daniel Noble. So my question is for you. So women are still experiencing degradation, disrespect, and violence worldwide. So what is your message to misogynistic people who have been doing these actions against women?
First, women should speak up. Women should know their worth and their value. It doesn't have to be like talk to them directly, but I hope that people who do bad things to other people will learn. Because like what I've said a while ago, we're experiencing a lot and we don't want to put gas on the fire itself. Diba? Ang bigat-bigat na ng nararamdaman natin. So sa mga simpleng bagay, sana wag na nating palakihin pa. Yes, women can forgive, but they cannot forget. But I hope that they will not do that again. I hope that we will do good and be good to everyone.
Wow! Parang na naman. I believe we have a question from Adam. Peter first. All right. Hi, Peter from Critical.
My question is,
Kapanawat here.
We would like to congratulate you for posting Miss Universe. That was an splendid job.
Stand up,
But what can you say about the results of Miss Universe?
I think it's on our part, I do the most country for Miss Universe. I do a lot of things since day one until 20 days past. But the result only from the Miss Universe organization. I cannot touch, I cannot do anything. I never know about the result before. That's why I cannot say anything, but I accept the result because of the result is been already finished. But by the way, depend on our pageantry fans. If you agree or not agree, you have your voice. You have your own opinion. I always accept every opinion. And you will see continue because it is only the second or third day after crown. We still have more than 300 days to approve. Is it true or not? What you thinking about? And how she carry the crown. This is the most important. As I told everybody, even my MGI, when she won, she got a crown on her head. It not that mean a success. The success is during the time of early. 365 days later, that is much more value to improve. Who are you? And how much value of it. So, if you don't agree with the result, we are respect your opinion, voice. But for my side, I don't have any idea because I wait and see until next year coming up. I hope she will success. But at this moment, let's see approve herself. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Papa Delon. And now a question from Adam Hinato, I believe.
for Coach Lopez and Emma. Ever since, for the past 2 years, a lot of Filipino pageant fans and Thai fans have enjoyed the contest of Thai and Filipina queens in a pageant together. Dorothy, Emma Bell. What do you think are the qualities that gravitate a Thai and Filipina candidate together in a pageant like Miss Grand International?
Jack and Boy. No, 1, 2, 3. No, Adam, I think it's how genuine you are towards each other and the people around you. Because people know kung gaano ka genuine na pinapakita mo sa kanila. And I think yun yung napapakita ng bawat isa. Yung Thai and Philippines, ganun nila kamahal yung isa't isa. Siguro hindi nila pinapakinggan yung ingay sa labas. More on mas pinapakiramdaman nila kung ano yung nararamdaman nila. And if we are genuine towards each other, nag-review yun. Kaya nagugustuhan ng mga tao. Kasi totoo lang kami. Ito yung personality namin. This is how we love each other. Ganito katindi yung friendship na meron kami. So yun lang, it's more on the genuineness.
Beautiful! Our next question is from... Sorry!
Shatter.
We must never forget Conchabelle. I'm very sorry, my dear. Yes? What's your answer? Final day.
We live each other.
Yes.
We love each other. Between Philippines and Thailand.
Yeah!
Thank you. Stop the war and violence.
Oh, diba? Touching message, my punchline. Who is the next question? Okay.
I'd like to throw my question to Emma and CJ. As beauty queens, not all days are good. But what is your happy pill?
Of course. Our happy pill for me, it's my family. It's whenever I think about my grandest lies. The reason why I keep fighting, I keep pursuing my goals, and that is the secret, I think. That is where you get your strength, on the reason why you are doing what you are doing.
Well, that's actually true. I have to agree. You really have to surround yourself with people who supports you, who loves you, who gives you, and brings out the best in you. I think that's the only way you can truly surpass any obstacle, any, stumbling in life. And there's going to be a lot of difficulties, that's true. Any problem will incur in your life anytime, and you really have to be ready with that. But if you are surrounded with the right people, you'll be able to make it happen.
Absolutely. Very true. Very true. And thank you, Tito Arnold, for always putting us in the right environment for us, not just to survive, but thrive, in spite of all the challenges. Thank you so much, our queens. And can we have another question? Last question. Papa said last. One last. All right.
Hi, Emma. John Ray here. Congratulations and welcome.
Thank you.
You immediately started working after you won. So, kamusta so far yung iyong work experience in Thailand?
Grateful and honored, especially when I was included during the Miss Universe activities. Us, pageant, aspiring beauty queens before, no? Ang pangarap lang natin yung para makapunta rin sa iba't ibang beauty pageant, mag-host an international pageant. And I was happy and honored to do it during Miss Universe activities with the help of MGI. Imagine I hosted 2 gala dinners and met 100+
plus beautiful ladies from around the world and combine Miss Grand to Miss Universe, yun doon talaga pinapakita na it's not about the title, it's about sisterhood. Yun yung pinakamasayang experience. And I'm happy when I'm working there because I just want to thank also the Thai fans. They're very generous, very kind. The way they welcome me is also the way you welcome me, Filipinos. Parang hindi ako na-homesick kasi nandun sila. Grabe yung pagmamahal na binibigay nila. Kaya I'm grateful for that po. And sabi ko nga sa close door interview, kaya siguro din tayo pinalalo, no? Ready to work, born ready. Sabi ni Papa, you know everything. She knows everything. Maliban lang sa kanya. Di ba, aalamin pa natin para makakuha tayo ng back to back to back.
Back to back to back. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your last question. Now, Queen Emma, Philippines, are you ready to hear Emma's introduction as the proud queen of MGI, the iconic? Are you ready? Would you indulge us,
Queen? Of course. But before I will do it, I would just like to thank everybody. Maraming salamat po. Ilang beses niyo na ako pinaiyak, pero siguro yung lesson na pwede kong maihatid sa inyo through my journey with this one. You know that I've competed many times. I've placed runner-up many times. But this time, our not yet became finally. So I hope you will also not give up on your dreams because soon, your not yet will also become final.
Yeah.
So this is my introduction. But I need some...
Ayan! Ang ganda ng mic stand mo, girl. Are you ready, Philippines?
Yeah! Okay lang masabayan niyo ako para mas marinig ni Papa na huwag ka mamaya, di ba? Bigay niyo yung face mo.
Oh, gusto mo ng countdown pa? Okay, sige, go!
Emma Meritiglau, Miss Grand International!
Wow! Thank you so much, Emma. Thank you, CJ and Gochabel. To everyone watching, remember that you are witnessing history in the making. And with that, I'd like to thank our friends from the media and, of course, our VIPs, Sir AOV, Sir Nawad, and Sir Jojo Borganes, and Madame. And with that, let's have a photo opportunity with our executive committee and with AOV Pageant Circle. And after that, feel free to approach for your one-on-one interviews or interview them outside of the program. Let's have our first photo opportunity with Emma, Papa Nawad, and Gochabel, as well as CJ, of course.
Gochabel!
And for our next photo opportunity, please stand by. We'd like to call on our sponsor from Marinova, as well as Sir Jojo Bragares. One by one first. First, let's have our sponsor for Marinova. Let's have Sir Jojo on standby. Thank you so much, Marinova, for your continued support of Miss Grand Philippines and, of course, the LV Pageant Circle. Now let's have Sir Jojo Bragares. Please stand by, our guest from One Ayala. Thank you so much, One Ayala, for accommodating us today and giving our Queen Emma Meritiglau a very grand homecoming, fit for a queen. Everyone, don't forget to follow Miss Grand on all their socials, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Where are our representatives from One Ayala? Can we have them on stage? All right, can we have our next photo op will be with Emma and her glam team as well after this. All right, please stand by, Emma with her glam team. All right, say cheese. Now let's have Emma with the ALB Pageant Circle team with CJ Opiaza and Gotcha Bell. Alright, we have ALB Pageant Circle. And after this, please on stand by for the Beauty Queen Well-Wishers. Cheese! Ladies and gentlemen, that's the dream team right there. Alright. Then up next is I'm gonna join you guys because I need a photo. Oh my gosh.
Okay, while we're
yes.
I just want to acknowledge all our sponsors. This wouldn't be possible without Marinova, One Hand, Discovery Premier, Grace Yourself, Juan Ayala, and La Cynthia. And I would like to invite all of you to all the Kapampangans. And if you're willing to travel to Pampanga tomorrow, we will be having another grand homecoming in my hometown, Pampanga. Kaya mikit-ikit tamo po kabalik!
Say cheese!
Gotcha Bell!
Gotcha Bell! Gotcha Bell!
Gotcha Bell!
Can we call Sir Yon onto the stage?
Maria.
Alright,
thank you so much once again for watching.
Give us a big smile. Alright, let's call on Lasadia. Okay, of course. Of course, let me just get back downstairs. Alright, here you go.
Maray. Lance lang. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of Mayor Joy Belmonte.
Wow! Now you can have our Miss Grand International with you. Can we have Lasadia on stage for our photo opportunity? Lasadia, where are you?
Ayaw niyang suot eh.
Wow! Custom neckties ready for business. And it matches with the golden crown. Can we have Lasadia on stage, please, for a photo opportunity? Is Lasadia around? All right, let's have our last photo opportunity with Papa Nawad, CJ Opiaza, Miss Emma Mary Tiglao, and of course, Gotcha Bell. One more. Are you guys okay? Thank you so much, Lasadia, Marinova, and Sir Bob, and especially Juan Ayala for making today's activity possible. Do we have Grace Yourself present today?
One more.
Are you around? Okay, and we'll have a solo photo with our one and only Queen Maker, Arnold Vega Faria. Sorry, Dr. Arnold Vega Faria. Beauty Queen Maker na Dr. Pa. How does it feel to make history, sir?
ALB intro!
Did you have a photo with the MGI team already? Alright, let's take an iconic selfie. Everybody, eyes on the stage. On 3, Miss Grand, the one and only. 3, 2, and... Wala nang energy. Smile. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. As we formally conclude today's activities, we'd like to thank once again our distinguished guests, Mr. Nawat Itiragaisler and Ms. Gochabel Gochaban, for being part of Emma's victory, celebration, and homecoming. We hope you can have enough downtime to enjoy Manila's amazing sights and head back to Thailand fully refreshed and recharged. To our dear sponsors, our sincerest gratitude to your unrelenting support from day one. And we look forward to even more opportunities, productive collaborations in the near future. And of course, to our ever-reliable pageant media friends, thank you for your unwavering support and vigilance. By the way, we'll be seeing you all again very, very soon for the Miss and Mr. World 2025 final presentations. And even if it's barely a month to go, I'd like to get a head start in wishing everyone all the best for the coming holidays. This has been your host, Maria Gigante. Thank you, good night, and maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat.
Sa ibang event na lang, pumunta naman siya. Dadating yan ang December. Hindi, magdadating sa December. Dito sa December. Saan ang ginawa ko ito? Scary. Kala ko sa great ano eh.
Thank you guys.
Saan malapit sa Pada? Yan yung side.
Ayaw daw na.
Oh no! Abot pa
Kaya naman watch ka ba ng ano?
Ladies and gentlemen, please be careful. Alright.
Ayun, tama, hindi mani pa. Tapos nag-take dati. Pangina, lagari-lagari. Ba't naman dinadamay mo ako sa pagkabol mo?
Halika na, tulungan mo ako. What our friends are for, di ba?
Thank you for watching. Please follow our page po on... ano ba? Kota ka. Bye!